The Ulefone Power Armor 19T, a rugged phone designed to withstand the harshest conditions while delivering top-notch performance and innovative features. This rugged device is IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD810H certified, ensuring durability and resilience in challenging environments. From a high refresh rate display to a powerful MediaTek Helio G99 processor, massive battery, and a thermal imaging camera, the Power Armor 19T is a versatile and robust smartphone. Ulefone Power Armor 19T features rugged design, built to withstand tough conditions. The Ulefone Power Armor 19T is IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD810H certified. It can endure water, dust, and harsh environmental conditions, making it ideal for outdoor activities, industrial settings, and adventurous lifestyles. 6.58 FHD plus 120Hz ultra-smooth display. Enjoy a visually stunning and responsive display with a 6.58-inch FHD plus screen, featuring a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or watching videos, the ultra-smooth display enhances the overall user experience. MediaTek Helio G99 6nm processor. Powered by the advanced MediaTek Helio G99 processor built on a 6nm architecture, the Power Armor 19T ensures smooth performance, efficient multitasking, and enhanced energy efficiency for prolonged usage. 9600 mAh massive battery. Equipped with a massive 9600 mAh battery, the Power Armor 19T delivers long-lasting power. Say goodbye to frequent charging and enjoy extended usage, making it an ideal choice for users who require a reliable and durable device. 66W Super Flash Charge plus 15W wireless charging. Recharge your device rapidly with 66W Super Flash Charge technology. Additionally, take advantage of the convenience of wireless charging with 15W support, ensuring your device is always ready for action. Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The device features Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for added durability and protection against scratches, drops, and daily wear and tear. Thermal imaging camera. Stand out with the thermal imaging camera, a unique feature that adds functionality to your device. This thermal camera is handy for various applications, including outdoor adventures, temperature measurements, and more. The Ulefone Power Armor 19T is not just a rugged phone, it's a powerhouse of features designed for users who demand durability, performance, and innovation. Whether you're in the great outdoors or navigating a challenging work environment, this rugged smartphone ensures you stay connected and well-equipped for any situation.